This week on today's Homeowner, we're helping a family solve some problems with a home they love as we revisit the 4 seasons of home ownership summer list.
It's probably not running.
That's not good.
Chelsea and I decided to tackle the stucco repair on the front porch.
Is this foam under here?
Yeah, actually, this is a synthetic stucco, and then this is just a coating that we put on it. It's a really pretty good job on it, but it's obvious what happened with this.
Yeah.
It's the
I'm
kids.
sure it's the kids.
We thought it was a great idea to have this small swing, but of course the girls decided to turn it into an amusement park ride.
We've got
Swing all the
this.
way.
Just tie it back to that railing right there. All right, well, let's see what happens here. I sure would like to sit down.
I know, me too. I
gonna
don't
sit
think
down.
we did this right.
Yeah, there we go.
I don't know if that bungee's gonna hold you and the swing. I don't think the bungee was designed for this kind of tension. You just spread it like drywall compound, I guess.
Just apply it with a putty knife and a little bit of finessing to make it match.
So it has like texture in it. Then we can shape it and mold it. That looks really good.
Golly.
I think that, doing the sponge like you said, you won't have the marks. There's really no way to keep the swing from hitting the stucco, but we can minimize the effect of it by adding this piece of weather stripping.